Hey everyone! Today we're gonna talk about Lantern Festival, which falls on the 15th days of the lunar calendar's first month. It's the grand finale of the Spring Festival and also it's the first full moon month of the new year. On this day, every household is brightly lit and excitement is off the charts. Actually, over 2,000 years ago, during the Han Dynasty, people would worship the Taiyi god on this day, hoping for peace and safety. By the Ming and Qing dynasties, the Lantern Festival had turned into a nationwide celebration. Speaking of Lantern Festival costumes, that's incredibly abundant. Enjoying lantern displays is indispensable. Every year during the festival, streets and alleys are adorned with a myriad of colorful lanterns, almost too many for the eyes to take in. In ancient times, unmarried girls had limited opportunity to go out. But on this day, they could gather with their friends to admire the lanterns. That's why the Lantern Festival is also called China's Valentine's Day. Pretty romantic, right? And don't forget delicacy. Northerners love eating yuanxiao, while Southerners prefer Tangyuan. Whether it's yuanxiao or Tangyuan, eating them symbolizes family unity and togetherness. Folk performances like dragon and lion dances, stilt walking, and dry boat rowing also add a ton of joy to the festival. With gongs and drums resounding, the atmosphere is incredibly lively. Everyone comes together to ward off evil and welcome good fortune for the new year. The Lantern Festival is such a day filled with reunion, joy, and hope. No matter how times change, our longing and pursuit for a better life have never changed. Finally, I wish everyone a happy Lantern Festival, family unity, and all the best.